I was fine when I left you behind. I know I loved you. Got this feeling inside that I can't put aside because I want you. Although I thought I was fine when I left you behind.
Okay, we've made it to the hill. Obviously this is video number 3 of a 4-part series. If you haven't seen the first video yet about explaining what's going on, click up here and you can see that video. Basically, we've done all 3 caffeine machines in one day. So this is the final one. Hope you enjoy the video.
Although I thought I was fine when I left you behind, I know I loved you. Take this pain and be gone, though you're still my number one. Crucified by your love, I got nowhere else to run. Got this feeling inside that I can't put aside because I want you. Although I thought I was fine when I left you behind, I know I love you. I got this feeling inside that I can't put aside because I want you. Although I thought I was fine when
Okay, that was The Hill. I hope you enjoyed the video. Unfortunately, we didn't get a chance to do the video that we wanted to do over Easter, but this was our backup plan. So we hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, stay safe.
So this is how we end up. Shades of blue and gray. I feel just like an empty bottle.